In this video, I will show you how to copy text from image using the Snipping Tool. So let's jump straight into it. So the Snipping Tool is a feature installed by default on Windows laptops and computers. To access the Snipping Tool, what you can do is hold down the Windows key, Shift and S on your keyboard, and it's going to open up the Snipping Tool just like this. Alternatively, what you can do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom and use the search box to search for the Snipping Tool, and then just go ahead and open it up underneath Best Match. So now you know how to access the Snipping Tool, let's go ahead and look at how to copy text from image using the Snipping Tool. So once you've got your image with your text, what we're going to do is open up our Snipping Tool. So if we come down to the toolbar, I'm just going to use the search box and search for Snipping Tool, and then open this up underneath Best Match. And then I'm going to go ahead and click New. And what it's going to do is bring up some crosshairs. So what you want to do at this point is hold down your left mouse button and drag this square like so, just around the text that you want to copy. Then let go of the mouse button, and this is going to add it to your Snipping Tool just over here. Now to actually get the text from this image, all you need to do is come up to the top of your Snipping Tool to the toolbar, and you want to click onto this icon here which says Text Actions. Now what that's going to do is actually take the text. It's actually going to take the text from the image, as you can see. What we can then do is click onto Copy All Text at the top, or we can just simply go ahead and highlight whichever part of the text we want to copy, and then of course right click onto Copy Text and paste out wherever we need to. So that is how to copy text from image using the Snipping Tool. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.